Welcome to the second video in the Renko Secrets trading series. What I wanted to share today was a very interesting tool. This is by far one of the most interesting indicators that I've come across. And I have to say this is not the indicator that fits in my algo, but for a person who sees the market a bit differently, this might just change the game. At least I see a lot of potential in this indicator. So I call it the wild card because that is what it is exactly. It it is one of those tools which might make your trading or might just turn out to be dog shit. But overall, it is still worth taking a look at. So without wasting any time, so this is one of those indicators which changes the chart. And what I mean by that is basically it changes the way you look at the price, and you'll understand that once I put the indicator on the chart. Yes, and it looks like complete dog shit when we first put it on, but with just a little bit of tweaking it turns into something useful. And this is definitely not for everyone. This is one of those indicators which the right person can make something out of, make something very useful out of. The name of the indicator is trend colored. So let's go to the charts. Okay, so yeah, move the screen. Okay, so trend color, so this is what it looks like. It has two settings, just 3 and 34 is the default. So let's put it on here first. We first put it on, it doesn't look too bad, but it looks pretty bad once the market gets choppy. So this is a loss, that's a loss, that's a loss. Yeah, so the cool thing about this is that you can go to settings and it has like a series of colors. So these basically represent the intensity of your trend. Right? Like the bright green is a strong trend and bright red is a stronger downtrend. These lower darker colors are basically mean that the trend is not that strong and there's not enough push behind that trend. So let's just turn this off to none. So, okay. Okay, so we have basically just kept the settings of this indicator so that it only shows the stronger trends on the chart. Okay, so now the white is the price, and green, every time it turns green you flip, you buy. Every time it turns red you sell. You know, it's pretty good. It still does not look that great, right? So, but wait, give me 1 second. There is one thing which might change that. So go to inputs, go to period, change it to 200. The second period to 200. That's it. Okay, still looks like dog shit. But wait, let's zoom out. Okay, now this is something. What this indicator does on when you change the setting, it is pretty good at showing you where the market is heading in the long-term direction. And I think that is some very useful information. You scroll back, see every time it's green, the market heads up. So basically the way to trade this is that whenever this indicator is red, you only take sell trades, and whenever it's green you only take buy trades. Okay, let's go down. See, okay, this is one of those choppy areas in the markets, even in the long term. So okay, so when it was green, the market went down. Okay, white is nothing. When it was green, market went up, red, down again. Yeah, there's still a couple of false signals here, but it's still pretty good at showing you where the market is heading long term, and that is, I think, very useful information for the right person, especially for the people who have slow algorithms. They might be able to make something out of it. Okay, let's see green, that's a win. See still a couple of false signals. I think your volume indicator will be able to get rid of these losses. See, that's a win. Flipped color, went down. See, turned white again. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. This is the long-term trend indicator I wanted to share. This is really good at showing you where the market is heading long-term once you change the settings. So take a look, test it out for yourself, and as always, this is not investment advice. This is just a place where I share some of the interesting results of my testing. And please like, share, and comment this video. It really helps with the engagement. And if you guys have any suggestion, write it down in the comment section. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.